There's also down here 75 volts. There is a fire inlet pull station. Well, as you can see, the model number scratched off. I think it's inside. This, so you can see. Yeah, the model number's right there. My dad is a co-owner of this building. Well, no, my dad is the owner of this building. And I am the co-owner, so let's go ahead and walk down, because I have to go to school soon. Oops, my key. Gotta pick that up. Okay. Alright, as you can see, we have one down here. These are personally key box for residents. That's on here. As you can see, we have 75, that's 15 volts. And the position here, same model number. Okay. Okay, what we're going to see now is our panel. 15. First, we're gonna check out this volt over here. I think this is a horn stroke. 75 candela. Yeah. I'm the one that chose these, by the way. As you see, I did push in, pull down. And you also activate. So, yeah. Model number still the same. Model number is still the same on this pull station. If you didn't get it, go ahead and replay that one of my clips. It's the building. Key, I don't want to open that right now. This one has a fire alarm panel all the way located over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it and just reset it. We're not gonna turn off the fire alarm or nothing, just reset. Reset it. There's also one over here at the pull station. I think that's let's see, 75. Yeah, I think 75 or 15 candela. I don't really know. Alarm panel over here, and we're just going to reset this one too, and then we're done with our video. Thanks for watching.